Welcome to my brief video tutorial on creating a new address list in Exchange 2003 running on Windows Server 2003 R2. In this brief activity, we'll create a new address list to identify the users within the city associated with each particular server. To accomplish this activity, we will go through approximately 12 steps. This activity is 5-1 based out of the book MCSE Guide to Microsoft Exchange Server 2003 Administration. The 13-digit ISBN number is 978-1-4239-02669. So the first step, if necessary, you need to log into your server as an administrator. Step 2, from Windows Desktop, we're going to go ahead and click Start, All Programs, Microsoft Exchange, and we're going to launch the Exchange System Manager. Once Exchange System Manager loads, we're going to go ahead and expand the recipient container. So there's our recipients. And we're going to right click on the All Address List container. So All Address List. We'll right click on that, then we'll move our pointer to New, and we'll select Address List. From there, the Create an Exchange Address List dialog box appears. In the address dialog box, we're going to type in the country recipient list. And then we're going to click the Filter Rules button. And actually it says the country is the country where the server is located, but we'll leave it for now. So we've clicked the Filtered Rules button. To find the Exchange Recipient dialog box opens. The dialog box is used to specify the criteria that will be used to include the recipients within the address list. So, excuse me, on the Generals tab, we're going to uncheck all boxes with the exception of users with Exchange mailboxes. And then to specify the criteria to use, to select your users, we'll click the Advanced tab. Within the Advanced tab field, we'll point to users and then click the country. Click the Field button. We'll select the user. And country. Sorry, I had to make sure I understood that. In the field value, type the name of the country that is associated with the temporary user location of your server. After you've done this, click the Add button to add the condition list. So our country, we actually named it country. We'll click the Add button. Once you click the Add button to add it to the condition list, go ahead and select OK. Then we'll click Finish. And we'll close the Exchange System Manager. So in that 12-step process, we created a new address list. The steps we went through, we logged in as an administrator. From the Windows desktop, we launched the Microsoft Exchange System Manager by going to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Exchange, then System Manager. From there, we drilled down underneath the recipient container. We right-clicked on All Address Lists. On the shortcut menu, we pointed to New and then selected Address List. The dialog box opened. We named our address list. Then we selected Filter Rules. We went into the Filter Rules and selected the option under Show These Recipients. Once we determined them options, we selected the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, we specified the criteria. We selected Add to add it. We then selected OK and Finish and closed the Exchange System Manager. Thank you for viewing my brief video tutorial again for creating a new address list. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to fill out the form listed below.